Result in discussion. Spring season climatological patterns of both ERA interim and model simulation upper level horizontal wind, A, 2B and 2E, show strong spatial consistency. The pattern corresponds to an anomalous southerly extension of subtropical westerly jet streams, STWJ, over northern Africa is reproduced very well by RICS-EM4. Spring, MAM, season mean horizontal wind, A, ERA interim upper level, averaged between 100 and 300 hectopascals, wind, B, RICS-EM4 upper level wind, C, ERA interim low level, averaged between 850 and 1000 hectopascals, wind, D, RICS-EM4 low level wind, E, the bias of upper wind ERA interim versus RICS-EM4 and, F, the bias of lower wind ERA interim versus RICS-EM4. This pattern in both ERA interim and model shows relatively narrow and shallow streams with maximum wind speed. The downward bent of subtropical westerly jet stream is related to a large-scale convection in the lower troposphere, which is conducive condition for spring rain-getting regions of Ethiopia. The STWJ is formed as a result of conservation of angular momentum as the air moves from the lower latitudes to the higher latitudes. The low-level horizontal wind climatology for the spring season in ERA interim and RICS-EM4 simulation, C, 2D and 2F, shows a good agreement in both the magnitude and direction. Similar, comparison of summer ERA interim and RICS-EM4 horizontal upper-level winds indicates a strong similarity, A, 3B and 3E, in representing the location and strength of the tropical easterly jet, TJ, core, even though the jet stream is slightly stronger in the model over regions south of Chad, Central African Republic, Central and Eastern Ethiopia. The TEJ extends from Southeast Asia across the Indian Ocean towards Northeast Africa, with the jet core positioned above 10 degrees north over the Arabian Peninsula and Eastern Africa, and tilted southward over Central and Western Africa. The low-level wind climatology for the summer season in ERA interim and RICS-EM4 is shown in C, 3D and 3F. Like spring, summer season also showed a good agreement in both the magnitude and direction of the East African low-level jet, ELJ. Summer, JJA, season mean horizontal wind, A, ERA interim upper level wind, B, RICS-EM4 upper level wind, C, ERA interim low level wind, D, RICS-EM4 low level wind, E, the bias of upper wind ERA interim versus REG-CM and, F, the bias of lower wind ERA interim versus REG-CM. The correlation with the time series of the wind field in the first rotated principal component, RPC1, of the upper level wind, A and 4B, reveals that the spatial pattern of the dominant mode of variability at upper levels is a dipole structure, which shows positive above 10 degrees in and negative below 10 degrees in both model and ERA interim. The boundary of the dipole pattern in the model is shifted slightly northward and has stronger magnitude over southern regions. Spring, MAM, season, A, correlation patterns of upper-level horizontal ERA interim wind versus its dominant RPC1, B, correlation patterns of upper-level horizontal REG-CM wind versus its dominant RPC1, C, dominant time evolutions of upper-level wind ERA interim and REG-CM, D, correlation patterns of low-level horizontal ERA interim wind versus its dominant RPC1, E, correlation patterns of low-level horizontal REG-CM wind versus its dominant RPC1 and, F, dominant time evolutions of low-level wind ERA interim and REG-CM. The variance explained by the first RPC of the model, tilde 45%, and ERA interim, tilde 34%, are more than one-third of total variance. The intra-annual variability of RPC1 and ERA interim in RICS-EM4, C, shows a good agreement, correlation value of 0.96, and the extreme years, 1982-83, 1984, 1992, 1997-2000, 2008, are well captured. The similarity of variability of low-level horizontal wind patterns in D and 4E describes the performance of the model in representing the region of dominant variability in the wind field, which explains tilde 15% and tilde 10% of total variance, respectively, although small difference are observed over southwest regions of Ethiopia. Significant and high correlation value of 0.81, of the dominant time components, RPC-1S, F, confirms the ability of the model to simulate the large-scale circulation. The importance/link of variability of this wind in its magnitude and direction to the upper Blue Nile River Basin climate is discussed detail in the next section. Like spring, during summer season similar correlation, upper level wind field and its first RPC-1, patterns of A and 5B, ERA interim and RegCM are observed, which describes the characteristics of TEJ in both reanalysis and model simulation. The fractions of variance explained by these patterns are 46% and 51% of ERA interim and RegCM, respectively. The time evolutions, RPC-1S, of ERA interim and RegCM, C, shows a good agreement, correlation value of 0.95, and in particular, the extreme negative years, 1983, 1987, 1997 and 2009, and positive years, 1988, 1994 and 1998, are well captured. Summer, JJA, season, A, correlation patterns of upper-level horizontal ERA interim wind versus its dominant RPC-1, B, correlation patterns of upper-level horizontal RegCM wind versus its dominant RPC-1, C, dominant time evolutions of upper-level wind ERA interim and RegCM, D, correlation patterns of low-level horizontal ERA interim wind versus its dominant RPC-1, E, correlation patterns of low-level horizontal RegCM wind versus its dominant RPC-1 and, F, dominant time evolutions of low-level wind ERA interim and RegCM. The patterns of the dominant mode of variability in the lower level wind of the ERA interim reanalysis and RegCM4 are essentially identical, D and 5E, and show a positive loading over coast of Somalia, which corresponds to East African low-level jet, ELJ. F shows the variances explained by the first RPC of the reanalysis and models are 11 and 12%, respectively. The correlation between the low-level ERA interim and RegCM4 wind is 0.85, which shows the resemblance of the two-time series, F. In this section, we analyze the spatial patterns, annual cycle and intra-annual variability of spring and summer rainfall over Upper Blue Nile region. Mean seasonal rainfall over the region for the period 1982 to 2009 shows that the southern and central mountainous regions receive on average more than 12 mm/day during summer and small, 1 to 2 mm/day, amount of rainfall during spring seasons. The western and eastern regions, which are semi-arid, receive comparably less precipitation during these seasons. The model reproduces reasonably well this climatological pattern of rainfall, although with positive and negative biases over the western mountainous regions and some isolated areas of Upper Blue Nile River Basin region. It exhibits also a central east/west gradient where rainfall decreases from 12 to less than 7 mm/day. RegCM4 forced by ERA interim reanalysis capture the location of higher precipitation rates in the southwest, central and northeastern region better than GPCP and CRU dataset. We also note that the GPCP dataset show relatively low precipitation amounts over the southern and central mountain regions of the basin with respect to gauge. Rainfall, A, spring mean gauge rainfall, B, spring GPCP mean rainfall, C, spring RegCM mean rainfall, D, summer mean gauge rainfall, E, summer GPCP mean rainfall, F, summer RegCM mean rainfall, G, bias of gauge versus RegCM during spring, H, bias of GPCP versus RegCM during spring and, I, bias of gauge versus RegCM during summer. Shows the mean annual cycle for the homogeneous rainfall regions of the basin using different sets of observations, gauge, GPCP and CRU, and RegCM4 simulation. The annual cycle values are averaged for each homogeneous region of the Upper Blue Nile River Basin over the whole observation and simulation periods. Over Tana subregions, A, which lie over the Simien Mountain, the model captures the summer monsoon rainfall in the pre-May, and post-monsoon rain, although some slight differences in the intensities among the observed and model estimates are observed. Aerial averaged of homogeneous regions seasonal rainfall or annual cycle. For Jimma and Mugar regions, B and 7C, gauge, GPCP and CRU observations exhibit a maximum July to August and small rain during spring season. The model captures this cycle except small underestimation of the rainfall amount, compared to observational dataset or gauge. The Didesa region of the basin, D, shows unimodal, but longer rainy season almost throughout the year, maximum between May and September. However, there is a wide spread in the magnitude and phase of the precipitation maxima across these datasets, with the gauge showing the largest magnitudes, GPCP the smallest and CRU some intermediate values. RICS-EM4 also captures well the long seasonality, and slightly overestimate precipitation amounts throughout the year. Overall, RICS-EM4 performs well in reproducing the seasonal cycle of precipitation in all regions, except for an overestimation over the southwestern and central regions, where the rainfalls in almost all months is systematically underestimate over the eastern regions. We note that GPCP had better agreement in the magnitude, and especially, the phase of the rainy season peaks and corresponding breaks than CRU with respect to gauge dataset. Most previous studies of RICS-EM3 using a smaller domain centered over Eastern Africa found difficulties to correctly reproduce the precipitation patterns. For example, IN performed 18 years of simulation with RICS-EM3 over Eastern Africa and reported overestimation by more than 26% precipitation in Ethiopia, using the Grell/Emanuel convective scheme.